Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today's recipe is salsa. So let's start making it. We first need to blanch, means partially cooked tomatoes. First, with the help of tomato corer or paring knife, remove the core of tomatoes. Then score X marks on the bottom of each tomato with a sharp knife. Cut just enough to pierce through the skin, but not too deep in the flesh. Now bring a pot filled with water to a boil, enough to completely submerge entire tomatoes. Meanwhile, make your ice bath for tomatoes. Fill a large bowl with ice and add cold water. Keep it aside. This step is important for two reasons. By shocking tomatoes, there won't be any carryover cooking and it's brighten the color as well. Once water is boiling rapidly, add salt. Then add tomatoes. After 20 to 30 seconds, depending the size of tomatoes, you can see the skin starts to separate from the flesh. It indicates time to remove tomatoes from the pot. The skin should easily release from the tomato. If not, add it in water one more time for a few more seconds. Peel the skin. Heat up a pan. Add whole garlic, large diced onions, jalapenos, peppers, and char it. Take it out on a plate and let it cool down. Now cut the blanched tomatoes into quarters and de-seed it. Save the seeds for another recipe. Then chop tomatoes roughly. Here I am sharing with you two methods. If you have a chopper, put charred vegetable and roughly chopped tomatoes together and chop it. Or you can mince everything together with the help of knife as well. If you are choosing to mince everything with hand, then do not cut your vegetables small, as it will be easy for you to chop. I have done it to show two methods in one video. Now mince everything together, add salt, pepper, lemon juice and jaggery powder. If you don't have jaggery powder, then use regular sugar 1 teaspoon, as white sugar is sweeter than jaggery powder. If you like this video and my effort, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And do not forget to click the bell icon for notification of latest videos. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.